here on the creator part of Canva where I've got an option to pick from different slides. Let's just say that I'm going to teach an English class. Okay, so I've got all these English lesson templates because I typed the word English up here in the search bar. Okay, there's so many things that you can type, and based on the keyword, a theme will be applied and show up for you what options they have. Now I'm gonna pretend like I've decided I want to teach normal English class, maybe elementary level, and this looks kind of playful and this looks cute. So I think I want to apply all 15 pages. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but I'm going to apply all of them by selecting apply all 15 pages. Now let's just say I don't want all of these pages. Maybe I don't like this one here. So I'm going to click on it and just hit the delete button. All right, maybe I made a mistake, so I want to click the undo button here, so you can undo that. And maybe I want more of the same kind of slide. Maybe I want the exact one, and I'm going to edit it again so I can duplicate it. Okay, by hitting the duplicate button here. All right, and I can also delete it. You can also choose to add a blank slide by clicking Add Page, where it'll just open a blank slide and you can decorate it yourself here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to drag and drop elements soon here in a bit. Now, all of these slides are editable, so you can change and edit whatever it is that you want. Now, my name is not Teacher Avery, so I'm going to double click this section right here, and I'm going to say Teacher Ashley. But I've noticed that this font is grouped, and maybe I want to move Teacher Ashley to a different section. Because when I grab on Teacher Ashley, the whole thing goes around. So I'm going to hit undo, because I accidentally moved it. And I'm going to click up here on these three dots, and I'm going to select Ungroup. Now, what I can do is move Teacher Ashley up here, because I decided I want Teacher Ashley to be up here. I held down on my Shift button, and I clicked on both of them while holding my Shift button. And then I clicked on Group. Instantly, it grouped it again, and now it's one entire element together. All of these things are different elements in the slides that you can drag and move around. You can resize them, or simply delete them. Let's say I want to add another tree over here as a different element. I didn't like the kind of tree that was, so I'm going to click on the elements icon over here, type in the word tree, and there are so many options of different trees that I can pick from. And I think I like this tree instead. So I'm going to add this tree here. Now let's just say this shade of brown doesn't quite match with this shade of brown over here. So what I can do is, it's highlighted, so it's already selected, but let's pretend it's not selected. I can click on it, go to this brown color right here, and you'll notice that the color is listed in the color option because they leave that available to you in case you're not sure what color codes or color options are available or which colors they're using. So Canva will automatically identify what colors are in the slides and leave it here in a nice little safe space for you in case you want to check or use those colors. So I'm going to click on this. What I need to do is where it's green, those are the leaves. So I need to click on the green area to change that green. And then there you go. Boom. It matches. It's easy to change things as long as the elements in the graphics show that you can edit them. They're usually pretty easy to do. Now, another cool feature that you can use on Canva is animation. So I'm going to click on this animate button. And you see what it does there? It allows me to animate the slide. Now, if you want to save it as an animation, when you're done, when you go up to download, you can actually save this. Now what I would do is I would save it as a GIF because I just want this particular slide to be a GIF. But oh no, it's telling me that it's going to download all of the pages as a GIF. So what I can do is click on Select Pages, click Page 1, Done, Download, and it turns into a GIF. Now let's say I want all of the slides to be animated, and I'm going to save all of them. Select all. I need to make sure that I go to each slide and I click the animation button to make sure that they've all been animated. What you can then do, instead of turning everything into a GIF, is you can actually just turn it into an MP4 video, which you can then download and edit it later in a video editor, which is pretty nifty. Another really cool tool that I like about Canva is that you have the choice to record it. Now you can also add audio files to your slides. So let's say I want to add an audio file to my slide. So now suddenly my slides have audio files. Now you can guess that the purpose of doing this is also so that you can create a video. Now I'm going to delete this audio file because I'm not going to use it. Now, this icon over here is the styles icon. What that simply does is allow you to choose the preset of the font and the color scheme. So let's say I want to use a color scheme, but I'm not very good at designing and picking colors for my slides. So instead, this little feature will do it for you. And it's really helpful. You can also download it as a PNG for slides, or you can download them individually as PNGs, or you can download it as one entire PDF and it will download as its own slideshow, which works in Big Blue Button, and I've used it before. There's a lot of other cool features with Canva, and there's so many things that I could show you. I could easily spend probably an hour doing workshops on Canva. But these are some of the coolest features I feel that are the most useful for creating lessons in the classroom. And they're really neat being able to use these tips and tricks.